You need to watch this if you struggle with job security. This is gonna blow your mind. Data engineering is the career of tomorrow. Imagine a job that's in high demand, offers job security, and pays really well. Sounds amazing, right? If you know Python and have some experience with Excel and SQL, you're already halfway there. With our 4-month live instructor-based course, you can become a data engineer in no time. We dive deep into Python, PySpark, SparkSQL, automated pipelines, and Medallion Architecture. Plus, you'll get hands-on experience using tools like Databricks and Azure Synapse. But wait, there's more. Everyone who joins our program gets a free internship project experience. Yep, real-world experience to boost your resume. Need help? Our mentors are available for doubt resolution on Teams. Plus, you'll have detailed assignments and quizzes on our LMS. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your future with a high-paying job as a data engineer. WhatsApp us at PUL91 74289 52788 or email us at support@instructor.com. Join us and turn your skills into an amazing career.